Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Apple Intelligence not showing on iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you're having the issue that your Apple Intelligence is not showing, so let's see how can you fix the issue. You just have to open your settings app, and here very first you have to make sure that you are connected to a strong network connection using your Wi-Fi or cellular, or you can enable and disable your airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times. It will make a quick refresh into your network settings. Once you have done, you have to go back, and from here you just have to select this general section, then go for software update, and you have to try to update your software. Once you have updated your software, you have to go back, and then you just have to go for screen time section, and here you have to go for content and privacy restrictions, then select this setting to disable all the restrictions. From here, once you have disabled all restrictions, just go back, and it will almost fix your issue. You will get Apple Intelligence Siri option, and here you can easily enable or disable it from here. Or if you are still having the same issue after doing this all, so now what you have to do, you just have to go for Apple Sport app, or you can try to use your browser and search for Apple Sport. But I'm going to use my app, and here just select your iPhone and then go for this more option. Now you just have to look for Apple Intelligence, and from here just scroll down and you'll find an option of get more help. Select that, then select call us. Now you will get a phone number. Whenever you want to talk, you just have to simply dial this phone number, and you can discuss your issue with Apple support team member and get official help from there. So in this way, you can easily fix your issue if your Apple Intelligence not showing or not working on your iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.